This should be a news candle right here. All right, good morning. Foresight Future, Christy, looking for longs. Good morning, Jacob. Good morning, Mike. Good morning, Emily. And good morning, Henho. Henho, what up, everybody? Good morning. First off, I want to start off this stream. Everything said in this stream, in this video, is all for entertainment purposes only. This is not financial or trading advice. Please trade at your own risk, okay? Um, all that being said, news just dropped. Wasn't really much. I am bullish um, on this chart. Reason why is because if we start from the monthly time frame, right? We want to start from the monthly, understand where monthly has came from and where it's currently at, what phase it's in. Is it retracing or is it expanding into which direction? Right now you see price market structure shifted here. Once it shifted, broke structure here to the downside, right? So once it broke structure to the downside, where's the most recent 3 candle wick swing high? It would be right here. So the most recent 3 candle wick swing low, which would be this one right here. But our rules is if it makes a new swing low without making a swing high, we just drag our point B down even lower. So we drag it down to here. So right now we know that the monthly time frame is bearish, but it's in a retracement phase, right? So retracing up. Okay, so since it's retracing up, we can take that idea and go to the weekly and anticipate that weekly is still retracing up as well. So as you see from down here, this is the market structure shifting point. From there, broke structures, created this wick to this high, higher low. If we would have fibbed it right here to here, most recent 3 candle wick swing low to the most recent 3 candle wick swing high, would have been OTE, flew. From there, you would reframe it from this 3 candle wick swing low to this 3 candle wick swing high. It would be this one right here, but again, this one made a higher one, so you just drag point B up. Right now we're getting a daily bias, okay? So we drag point B up, and this is a current expansion that it is in. It hasn't created a high yet. It created a high right here, but this is the one that we wanted to see it break. So it broke this one, created a high. This is the most recent 3 candle wick swing low. So as soon as a high gets created with the 3 candle wick swing high, we would drag a fib from here to here, anticipate a retracement, okay? So right now weekly is still bullish, and it's in an expansion phase, okay? And where is it expanding to? It's expanding up. So if we take that idea and we drop to the daily time frame, we can anticipate that the daily is expanding up, but we want to see where it came from as well. As you see, it was coming down here. Right here was a market structure shift point, and then came down, retraced into the order block, moved up, broke up through structure, retracement, expansion, retracement, and this is where we would frame that. So like it moved up, expansion, we would frame it from this low to this high here. It got stopped out. Now we would reframe it, right? That's our rules. We would reframe it if it got stopped out. Reframe right here, and you can see it tapped into optimal trade entry right here, and it flew. So daily is also in the expansion phase. It did just create a new swing wick high. Well, it hasn't yet. Actually, it hasn't yet. Let me correct myself. As soon as this daily candle closes, if this wick is lower than this wick here, then that's a new swing high. So in that situation, we'll take our fib and we'll move it to the most recent 3 candle wick swing high, which is right here, but you want to place it in a logical spot. So this isn't logical, this is more logical, right? So that being said, it would be from here to here, and we'd potentially be anticipating some retracement. Again, it could tap into this fair value gap right here and continue bullish. We don't know what price is going to do. But all that being said, you know, everything in my eyes is still bullish based off the daily, based off the weekly, based off the monthly. Monthly is bearish, but the monthly is in a retracement phase and it's retracing to the upside, which is bullish. So everything is bullish in my mind from monthly, weekly to daily. So with that being said, since everything is bullish, I'm anticipating the previous day's high to be ran, right? Currently, the previous day's low was ran out. Okay, so my bias is bullish. I made a new rule yesterday as well. If we refresh our rules here, yesterday I caught a loss. And why? If there is not a clear, obvious bias slash direction and it looks like price could go either way, do not enter any trades. Sit on your hands, close your charts, and take the day off. Every day you approach your charts at the beginning of your session, you want a clear bias. And if it's not clear, do not trade. So right now, my bias is bullish, okay? If I don't see a bullish setup, I'm not going to trade at all, okay? So with that being said, now if we look at the lower time frames, like the 4-hour, for example. 4-hour, I had it framed from this swing wick low to this swing wick high, because it's most recent 3 candle wick to 3 candle wick, retraced, and it stopped out technically. So we would just reframe it to right here. With the reframe, it tapped into equilibrium. We would need it to tap a little lower, potentially start expanding higher, right? But it wiped out liquidity here to the downside. Okay, so after that, I'm anticipating price to go up higher, because if you notice, it already took out this 4-hour candle's high. And if this candle closes in 23 minutes where it's at right here, this would make a swing wick low right here. Price can potentially keep expanding and take out even this candle's high. So that's why I'm bullish, okay? So all that being said, we drop to the lower time frames. Go to like the 15-minute, for example. On the 15-minute, you notice this was the liquidity grabbed out liquidity immediately after. Market structure shifted, retraced into the fair value gap, expanded, break a structure. If you would have had your fib from here to here, you would have got stopped out, but you would just reframe it, right? So we would reframe it to here. Now that we would reframe it, you can see that price is an OTE and it's beginning to expand up. So now that it's beginning to expand up on the 15-minute, we're going to drop to the 5-minute and potentially the 1-minute and look for potential opportunities to take an entry, right? So right now the 5-minute, if we look, market structure shift was right here. Price expanded through that market structure shift. Here's the fair value gap, tapped into it, expanded, break a structure. This you could frame a 5-minute fib on. Boom, boom. Again, got wiped out. You just reframe it. Reframe it to this one right here. You can see it's beginning to expand off the optimal trade entry. So now that the 5-minute is expanding in confluence with the 15-minute, we're going to drop to the 1-minute, look for potential optimal trade entries here. So if you notice right here, here's a market structure shift. Potential fair value gap is being created. If you would like, you can take entry off the fair value gap. As I just pointed out to you, many of them have been working out. But right now that gap got filled. There's a gap right here, okay? So which it just tapped into, right? So with it just tapping into it, look at it, came all the way back into the green line. I might take entry off this green line right here now that it just tapped into it again. I think I'm going to take entry off of it. And my stops are going to be 5.7 plus 5 is going to be 10.7. Let's see. 50 divided by 10.7 divided by 6 equals 0.77 lot size is what I'm about to go in on. Buy. Boom. Alright. I am in the market right now. My stop loss is 1 to 100. My take profit is going to be a 1 to 2R. $12271. It's gonna be my take profit. All right, I'm set. I'm in the markets. All right, now I'm gonna look at the chat. All right, Peter, what up? Good morning. David, morning. My bias is bearish for this session. Okay, cool, cool. All right. Cool. I want to try something new with you guys, okay? This is my email. It's itargetliquidity@gmail.com. You see it right here, right? This is what I would like to start doing with you all. So that way we can all know that we're framing our fibs off the right point. So that way we know, you know what I mean, we're approaching the optimal trade entry correctly. Whenever you you know, you do your analyzing and whatnot on your charts, I'm about to get stopped out. This is crazy. Whenever you start doing your analyzing, go right up here where the camera is, click on it, and then click on copy link. Copy the link, send it to me, compose, I target liquidity at gmail.com. Boom, and then just paste it, okay? And then send it to me. I'll open it up, we'll look at it together, and we'll see where, you know, you have everything framed up, and we'll look at it, and I'll give you a little bit of feedback, okay? So feel free to send me some charts. I'll keep that open so that way we can take a look, okay? What up, Ansab? What up, Rainlight? What up, Darnell? Good morning. What up, Hole and Fan? Jeez, we're about to get stopped. Yeah, we're about to get stopped. We already did get stopped. We got stopped because of spread. Well, nope, it just wiped it out. Alright, we got stopped out. That's one loss. Man, I am in a losing streak, you guys. Fudge. Just got destroyed. No. Hey, Hotshot, do you use MT4 or MT5? I use MT4. Yeah, Umar, I entered a buy. I got worked. I got wrecked. I'm gonna re-enter it, but I'm gonna base my entry off of this 15-minute time frame. Right now, it would be right here to right here to the 50. 14.1 plus 5, that's about 19 pips. This one I'm just going to target a 1 to 1.5. So 50 divided by 19 divided by 6 equals 0.43 lot size. I'll put 4.5 because it moved up just a little bit more already. And then my stop is 11950. Take profit. I will just go for another 1 and 2 actually. Still within the whole 15-minute range. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 7, 3. Just make sure. My entry is at 1, 2, 108. Boom. Okay, cool. So let's move it up just a little bit more. All right, 1, 2, 4, 2, 4. All right, sounds good. Dixie is bullish. I don't like to add too many moving parts. Obviously, if you can find the direction on euro, then obviously the direction on dollar is going to be opposite. Obviously, if you find direction on dollar, the direction on euro is going to be opposite, right? So I don't think it's necessary to do both charts. I don't use both charts, especially like because both charts are usually utilized for correlation or like SMT divergence. Bro, I applied that wrong the other day. I don't even use SMT divergence, and that was a good example of why. So, you know, it is what it is. I'm basing all of my analysis off euro, okay? I see it all bullish. If Dixie is bullish, you know, then this won't work out, but so be it. I have a lot of reasoning to be bullish here, you know? Why not just drop it in the Discord? You can. You can totally drop it in the Discord too. Yo, what up, Job GBP USD just swept major sell side liquidity. GU, bro. What up, Interested? What up, man? Why are you bullish? We are bearish off the 15-minute breaker. Monthly is retracing and it's in a bullish retracement. Weekly is expanding, it's in a bullish expansion. Daily is expanding, it's in a bullish expansion. All three of those time frames, we're targeting the previous day's high. That's why I'm bullish. Then if you look at the 15-minute right here, 15 minutes swiped out liquidity, market structure shifted, tapped into fair value gap, moved up, broke structure. We would frame it from here to here, got taken out, reframe it to here. We are in optimal trade entry, so we're long. What up, Ivan? That's the case. Open Discord. I got something for you. Okay, I'll open it up now. What up, outsiders? Dixie has been rising. EU showing more bearishness than bullishness, in my opinion. It's messy battle. It's messy. It's messy. It's Death Kid X. We have bad news on the dollar. We had a little bit of news here this morning. Nothing crazy any longer. Nothing too crazy no more. Yeah, go with what you see. Go with what you see. Manage your risk. Go with what you see. Do what you gotta do. We're in profit right now. We're sitting pretty, so I'm liking what I'm seeing personally. Just swiped out liquidity, beginning to fly. Is what I like to see, Yeah, Mustafa, I am in. Yeah, you can enter it right now as it taps this green line. This green line is the entry. Stop loss is right here at the 11950. Of course, this is not financial or trading advice. Trade at your own risk. I'm not licensed to provide advice, so do what you gotta do. But I am in this trade right now. I just found out about the unlimited maximum trading days update. Took the major stress off about deadline and can take it easy now. Yeah, bro, take it easy. I agree. It's a good little thing that they did for us there. I got mine taken away as well. Somebody asked for the account, like, analyzing. Let me pull it up real quick. Oops. Nope, let's not pull that up. Let's see here. Let's see here. My Forex funds. Boom. Boom. Right now in total, we're down. We're down. We're up 3%. Now we're pretty much break even on the account. Pretty much. After taking this previous loss right here. On a losing streak again. But yeah, this is where we're at right now. You can see how it was going up and then it dipped. Been on a roller coaster, bro. Whee! Been on a little roller coaster, bro. Been crazy. It's been real crazy, fam. It's been real crazy. Been super duper crazy. Yup. Exactly, David. It's okay to have a different bias. It's exactly. I just emailed it to you. Check it out. Got into UJ 15 minutes. Good luck to you. I hope it works out. I hope that trade smacks. I hope that trade smacks. Alright, homie just sent one. Let's check it out. No preview available. Download. Let's see. What is it opening with, bro? Share an app to open this file. Alright, let's use Notepad. I don't know what you just sent me, Holland fan. I have no idea what you just sent me, bro. I'll be honest. You want to send the link, bro. I don't know what that is. 3-click position calc indicator. I don't know what that is, bro. You said OMG, it's an indicator. You put it in your MT4. I don't use MT4 on my computer, bro. Send him some nudes. Just kidding. Love it. Love it. I don't have MT4 on my computer, yo. I can't put it on my computer at all. I'm bullish on UJ and UC, at least for the day. Compile it in TradingView. How do you compile it? I don't know, bro. I don't know. Send me a screenshot of your POIs. I haven't got nothing yet. Just make sure it's to itargetliquidity@gmail.com. Click on Pine Editor. How do I go down? I don't know what I'm doing, bro. I'm about to get a virus. My laptop's gonna fucking shut down. Oh shit. Alright, Mike. Check out your chart, bro. What time frame is this, bro? 17, 12 to 12. This is the higher time frame for sure. The expansion. Tapped into it. Looks good, bro, if you're basing it off like the order block, you know, fair value gap. I see what you're basing it off of. Big gap within this candle. It's up in it. Has this order block that it tapped into the mean threshold, began to fly away. Has this fair value gap that you analyzed too. I see what you've analyzed. on euro. It's clean, bro. You keep your charts real clean. Also in on buys. EU take profit 12680s. 12680s. Woo, you freaking flying for the moon, huh? Oh. We'll be moving stop loss up as we go. Nice. Sounds good. Sounds good. I'm gonna look for some 1 minute OTEs as we go. Because right now we just market structure shifted here. Now that we market structure shifted. Your notification is in the way. You will need to move that to see Pine Editor. Oh, on the bottom down there, I know what you mean. What up, Nalmulo? Afternoon, gang. What up, what up? Afternoon, bro. Resent. My bad. Let me see. Oh, wait. That's the one that you resent. Gotcha, gotcha. Cool. Bro sent you a virus fax. That's doing way too much. LOL fax. It's the 30-minute mic. Okay, cool, cool. Yeah, I see what you got going on, bro. Way to keep your charts clean, dude. If it helps you to like see where price is going with that, bro, that's all you need, you know. Just don't delete system 32. System 32. I use position sizer on MT5. Nice, nice. Be careful of your info. Don't click on any link. Right? For real. Good thing I ain't got no bank card info or anything, huh? Pumping up EU. Facts. Let's pump it up, bro. Hey, Hotshot. How you doing today? What up, Lewis? Doing good, bro. We took a loss already right here. Wah, wah, wah. But we re-entered right here is our entry, so we're in profit right now. We're looking good. We're looking good. Get rid of this red mark. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Right now, fib would be framed from here up to here. Boom, boom. Price taps into this green line. Could be a great OTE. Could also be a great breaker block right here in alignment with it. I could tap into. Personally, I'm not going to take that one. I want to see it expand a little and start moving along. Because right now, this is technically like a reversal. And I don't like them. I don't like them. As you see, we got wrecked on this reversal. I don't like them, bro. I don't like them at all. Sucks. Sucks. Yep, waiting for that 1 minute OTE. It'll come soon. It'll come. Hey, my boy. Tracement. As I've started to become profitable, I only trade London 5-minute silver bullet on GU. It's going well. Took a 2.36 R today. Try find it. It's going well. Damn. That's what's up, bro. Silver bullet's working for you? Run with it, bro. Run with it. Took a buy on UJ. Nice, nice. Let's look at UJ real quick. So based off the monthly, Look at the monthly, 3 candle wick swing low to high, got ran out, reframe to this one right here. So this would be the monthly framework right here. Price retraced. It is currently in an expansion. Monthly is in a bullish expansion, right? So since monthly is bullishly expanding, we'll go to weekly and anticipate that weekly is also in a bullish sentiment too. So if we look for the most recent 3 candle wick swing low, which is right here, to 3 candle wick swing high, which is right here. But again, if it doesn't create a 3 candle wick swing low and it breaks through that high, you just reframe it and drag it up. So it'd be from here up to here. Currently price tapped into the green line, 6-2 level as well, and it could potentially start going up based off the weekly as well. Okay, so weekly is in a retracement phase, weekly is in a bearish retracement, right? Overall though, monthly and weekly are bullish, just weekly is in a bearish retracement, okay? So knowing that weekly is in a bearish retracement, we drop to the daily and we look at the daily, like what's going on with the daily, right? So if we look at the daily right here, this is a market structure shifting point here. If you go down, this would be the swing wick low to swing wick high, got ran out, you'd reframe it to something where it's logical. Again, these aren't, you know, I mean, they got ran out, so let's reframe it to something that makes sense, something like, say like right with this green candle right here, boom, boom. That also got ran out, right? So reframe it to where it's logical. Just make it logical, right? So right here it's logical in my opinion. Price came down, tapped in, you know, and now it's starting to move along bullishly. So since, you know, price on the daily created this low here, created this high here after yesterday's candle close. So with this high being created, this candle today, market structure shifted price, right? So now coming up, we can start potentially seeing some bullishness for, you know, USD JPY for sure, for sure, for sure. Took out the previous day's high, took out the previous day's high. You know, I can definitely start going for some bulls. And if it closes where it's at right now, it'll create this 3 candle wick swing low right here as well. So it'll give a lot more confluence to that bullish upside, you know what I mean? So I see bulls as well, bro. UJ is not a bad pair right now for some bullishness. I see what you see, my friend. I see what you see, dog. Tapped into the green line. Let's see if it flies. 1 minute OTE right here. 1 minute OTE. I still see you on the OTE smashing it. Ain't smashing it right now, dog, but always gonna be on OTE. GU flew heavy today and yesterday. Caught a beautiful 100 pip move. I'm out for the week. Damn, that's what's up. That's what's up. Good stuff. Good stuff. I wish I could be done for the week. I got fucked this week, bro. I got wrecked. Wrecked. Fucking charts. I'm gonna name him Wreck-It Ralph, dude, all day. Euro USD's new name is Wreck-It Ralph because it's just been wrecking me, bro. I can see it filling in some of that drop before we get bearish again. I don't know, bro. I don't think we'll see bearishness anytime soon based off the monthly time frame. I think it's going to be bullish for a little while. Which is OTE on the ICT programs? Does it have its own or like the 2022? Yeah, if you look up ICT's pattern recognition series, OTE pattern recognition series, and then if you look at his OTE primer, yeah, that's where I learned everything from. And if you don't feel like sitting through all 21 videos, because it's altogether is probably over like 5 hours in content altogether. If you don't feel like sitting through all that, I made a video on my YouTube channel. It's 56 minutes long. It's pretty much all of those videos summarized into one. I give you all the rules that ICT provided us. I give you exactly how ICT provided us the framework would be, the targets would be, everything. So if you want, you can go watch that. Love your OTE slingshot video. I'm glad you like it. I'm glad you like it. Yeah, I don't like to utilize slingshot too much. I think it's great for beginner traders. Like if you struggle to see prices direction, then I think that slingshot is super fire for y'all. For sure. Gives you like direction instantly, you know? Kind of a cheat code in my opinion. Oh snap, oh snap, oh snap. Looking good, looking good. Looking good. Har 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 har. Har 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 har. Looking good. Looking good. What do you think the best strategy is? Optimal trade entry. Currently short on SPX from London Judas with OTE entry. Nice combo. Nice, John. Nice. Nice combo. Yo, I caught that. That's what's up, nothing. Yeah. That's what's up, player. Nice. What time frame do you consider for daily range? What do you mean by daily range? Like the current daily candles range? Daily range. I learned from your video. Nice. Good. I'm glad you're learning. I'm glad you're learning something. Did you catch this? I didn't catch this one, no. But I'm in this trade down here. This is my entry down here, so I'm in profit. I'm in some good profit. What's OTE strategy? Will you do a video on it? I have done a video. If you go to my YouTube channel, if you go to YouTube, you go to Hotshot, Hotshot, right here. If you go to videos and you scroll down, right? This is better than ICT Silver Bullet Volume 1. It's 56 minutes long. That video is everything you need. Volume 2, Volume 3, and Volume 4 gives you more examples. So does Volume 5. And then these are more examples of it. Every video that I've uploaded after this video is all optimal trade entry. I ain't fucking with nothing else, bro. And I ain't gonna put you guys onto anything else because I don't think you need anything else, okay? Straight up. If you come to my channel, it's OTE. It's OTE. That is it. You want to learn OTE? Hot Shots are your guy. If you want to learn something else, go somewhere else. Not to be a dick, but to be a dick. Just kidding. Straight up, bro. Straight up. Hot Shots your guy for OTE, alright? Tell your mamas, tell your grandmamas, tell your great grandmamas, tell your great 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 grandmamas. Do we let it run to take profit / stop loss, or we go break even? Let it run straight to take profit or stop loss. I personally don't like to go break even. It's up to you as a trader. If you want to go break even, go break even. If you're not too confident in the setup, definitely, you know what I mean, go to break even for sure. I personally like to target a 1 to 2R, 1 to 1.5R if you want to be a little more conservative. you're still technically profiting. Um, Hey brother, been a couple weeks since last time I was here. How are things? Things are good, bro. Things are good. We're on a losing streak. I think we're gonna come out the losing streak. We'll catch a winning streak here today. Like I said yesterday, we're gonna come back today, and we're gonna come back strong, bro. So we're gonna catch this right now. Mike said the total New York session. So do you consider for daily range the total New York session? Like for daily range, bro, I'm curious if you're asking like the candle itself, like let's say this green candle from here up to here. Are you talking about the range like within this whole candle? Is that what you mean? You're asking like what time frame do I consider for daily range? Bro, honestly, I don't think the time frame really matters. I think like as long as you can frame your previous day's high and your previous day's low and see where you're at within the middle of those, or if you're above one or below one, or where you're at within them, I think that'll give you here where you're at within the daily range. But I'm not sure if that's what you're asking. I'll be honest. Did you end up passing the challenge? Nah, fam, nah. Right now, this is the current stats. We were up 3%. Um, and we had a little equity curve right here, so we were up, we were looking real good, and then we're catching a losing streak this week, well, specifically yesterday, and I think the day before. Took an L, a little break even, an L, and today we took an L. So hopefully this trade busts, we'll get out of that, keep going, you know what I'm saying? Is OTE only good in New York or London as well? So ICT says the OTE is the OTE because it's traded between 8:30 to 11 a.m. time. If you're trading it any time outside of that, it's just Fibonacci trading. Which, bro, realistically, this is all Fibonacci trading. ICT just threw a time on it. It said it's his. It's literally all he did. It was like, it's because it's time, bro. It's time. He just put a time on it, and and he made it his own. That's all ICT did, you guys. Unsop sent a link. Yeah, let's see it, Unsop. All right, I'm here. Yeah, bro, I like that. I like that. So if we look, most recent three counter, this was break of structure. It expanded, broke through structures. Once it expanded to the downside and taking out everything, most recent three candlewick swing lows, there's one here and there's one here, right? But it's not too logical. And of course it got stopped out by this big move. So you just reframe it. The 0 and the 1, beautiful, bro. This is exactly how you reframe it. This is exactly how it would look. This is solid right here. This is solid right here. Boom, boom. Entry, sell off. A beautiful chart. Awesome setup on top. Great job. Great work. Great work right there. Yeah, that's a great trade on top. Congrats on that. Yo, how's it going? What up, Hugh? It's going well, bro. We in some profit right now. We looking for some buys on Euro USD. Repping out some push-ups in between the 5-minute candles. Look at you, Buckwheat. Gotta get it in somehow, bro. Gotta get it in when you can. Know what I'm saying? For sure. That's what's up. That's tough. That's tough. In on the EU 1.12115. 1.12115. Nice. We're like right there with each other. One at 12126. We're right there with each other, bro. Mine is right here. We're in the same boat. We over here rowing together. Row! 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 No, I'm just kidding. Imagine I just sat here and did that for stupid, bro. Oh gosh. I love Family Guy. That's some Family Guy shit. uh, Time based on London and New York overlaps. Yup. Exacto mundo, it most certainly does. I think that's what I've been struggling with the most, the actual difference between fib, OTE, and silver bullet. So the actual difference between fib and OTE is just the time that you're trading it at. If you're trading it at any time other than 8:30 to 11, it's not technically considered OTE. It's technically considered Fibonacci trading, right? Silver bullet is a reversal setup. It comes after a grab of liquidity followed by a quick, you know, displacement in the opposite direction, which this displacement oftentimes leads to a market structure shift. That being said, it's more of a reversal. And the OTE, I like to look for the continuation. I don't like reversals and whatnot. So, got exactly the same entry as you in EU. Nice, Daniel. Look at us. We out here winning, dog. We out here getting money. That's the way it should be, bro. That's the way it should be. Family Guy is my favorite show. Facts, dude. It's mine too. Yeah, Family Guy, dog. This shit's so funny. Oh, that's what's up. That's what's up. 1 minute OTE. I missed out. Another 1 minute OTE potentially coming up. If we look at the 5 minute, let's take the 5 minute. 5 minute market structure shifted here. Retraced down into the order block, began expanding up. So I think the 5 minute is going to keep expanding and take out liquidity here. So if another 1 minute OTE sets up, I'm going to take it and I'm going to target this high as well. Alright, so if it taps here, we have an OTE from here. Stop loss would be right below here at the 50 level. So it would be a 3.5 plus 5 equals 8.5 pip stop. And I'm going to risk 0.5% on this. ICT says whenever you scale in, you risk half of what you risked originally. So my risk down here is 1%. So this scale in risk is going to be 0.5%. Okay. So it is $25 divided by 8.5, divide that by 6 equals 0.49 is going to be the lot size for this one. It's gonna fly without me, it says. It's gonna fly without me, Holmes. How do you even see anything with those OTE lines all messed up? What do you mean messed up? What's messed up about him? Pew. Technically, one can easily argue order and breaker blocks are supply and demand or support resist. The order slash breaker blocks just give you an entry point. Yeah, can easily argue that for sure. Cause the way that I'm able to see though, cause I know with all the lines it looks ridiculous, right? It truly does. But I understand what I'm framing it off of. This is gonna fly without me. It's a bummer. I understand what I'm framing it off of. I have my 15-minute fib right here. 15-minute fib. I have my 1-minute fib right here. I have my higher time frame monthly fib right here as well. I have my weekly fib, and then I have my daily fib as well. So I have a bunch of fibs on it, and the fibs are literally just for me to frame the direction and the next draw on liquidity. Oh, I got the hiccups right now. If it comes down and swipes out liquidity right here and taps, I'll still take that entry, because it could just be a run on liquidity right here. Liquidity run, grab, continue to fly. I like to see that. I like it. I like it. We still can enter now? No, I wouldn't. I would not. I would not. I would like to take entry right here. If it expands above this high, that entry will become invalid for me. But I'm also going to go and wake up Lady Hotshot. So if I miss this entry, it's okay. I'll be right back. What did it do? What did it do, huh? What did it do, huh? It's coming back. Excuse me. Okay, I just bought. See what happens with this one. 12150 is my stop. Entry is set at 12184. Cool, it's right there. 12235 is my take profit. I'm just target a 1 to 1.5 here. All right, I am in there like swimwear. In there like swimwear, is it? ¿Por qué no? Es que yo. This could even be coming for a 5-minute retracement. I could get stopped out on that 1-minute OTE. Could come all the way down here. It could, bro, it could. I don't know what price is gonna do. This deep liquidity grab though. I don't know if it'll grab this liquidity too. My stop is down here. So hopefully if it just grabs this one it'll turn around or something, but hopefully it don't run out this stop. Scary, man, scary. Scary, scary, scary. Nothing right here. This second position, the scale in, I risked 0.5%. This entry, I risked 1%. ICT says whenever you scale into an entry, you don't want to risk the same as your original trade. You want to pyramid it. So with this one, it would be a 0.5 risk. Now let's say that another 1-minute OTE opens up and we take that one, that would be a 0.25 risk, right? If another one happens, that would be a 0.12 risk. If another one happens, that would be a 0.06 risk. I'm talking in percentages. Eight session highs in a row. Taking yesterday's high is asking a lot, I think. I think yesterday is a swing high for a bearish bias today. See? That's the thing, is thinking. We can think that this shit is gonna turn around any moment. I mean, hell, we thought it was gonna do that yesterday. But based off of bias and direction, where is price expanding to? It's still expanding up until it gives us obvious previous days candles or something like obvious bearish candles, obvious retracements, until it shows some obvious, looking like movement to the downside. My bias is going to remain bullish because it's all been obviously bullish. So it's like, what's obvious here? It's obvious that it's bullish. It's obvious that it's still expanding up. It's obvious that it's still at its highs. Could it turn around? Most certainly can. Price can do that. It does it all the time, you know what I mean? But realistically, that's how I look at it, because I don't like to think too damn hard about it, because then it's gonna freaking, it just throws me off my game, bro. Totally does. Totally does. I'm about to get stopped out on this one too. This little 0.25. It's about to stop me out. And you could be right, Mike. I'm not saying you're wrong either, bro. You could be right. I'm saying we don't know what the fuck's gonna happen, bro. We just, trade the setups. I just got stopped out on that little one. 9:30 open in 3 minutes. Yep, that's 9:30 open. What up, Abe? Where's your TP? On my trade that's still open, my TP is up here. It's based off the 15-minute. Bro, price has been moving so awful this week. This week's price movement has been like garbage for me, bro. My gosh. Once you enter the trade, it's in the hands of the market. We can only play the probabilities of our strategy. Facts. Facts. That's all we can do, bro. That's all we can do. But straight up, no lie. These markets have been garbage all week, bro. All freaking week. Once you enter the trade, it's just in the hands of the market, bro. It is. Sent you another screenshot. Nice. Hell yeah. Send me more screenshots, yo. I want to see some screenshots. Euro USD on 5-minute. So Mike, if you can explain to me, bro, please, what are these boxes? Do these boxes frame the session like this is one session? I'm assuming the reds are Asian. I'm assuming the blue is New York. Well, there's London and New York, and then there's Asian, right? That's what I'm thinking right now. Correct. Okay, cool. Correct. And what are these circles outlining? Where London low didn't sweep Asian low. Okay, so where you don't have circles, London low swept Asian low. 5-minute OTE was a great trade, was a great entry on EU. It was, huh, right here? It was based off a market structure shift though. Now that it's breaking through right here, that's the break of structure. And then hopefully we can start seeing some more. Yep, there goes EU. Sucks, huh? It literally stopped me out just to keep flying. What a bitch, huh? Bitch, bro. I'm telling you, these markets suck sometimes. So your point of interest are here and here. Okay. Alright, your point of interest. So you wanted to sell off into these areas. I see you. I see you. Took a UJ buy, currently in profit. Bro, I believe you're going to be in profit, interested. Telling you, bro, that UJ is bullish. You're going to make some money, take some buys on there. MM is watching Hot Shot. Bro, literally, those market makers are freaking watching, dude. That shit's crazy to me. I can't believe they just wiped me out just to fly. I have the same OTE entry, bro. That's what's up. Nice. EU targeted 5-minute OTE now flying. Yup. It's a bummer, bro. It's a bummer. New 1-minute OTE. Yeah, he needs to keep going. Right, Rainlight? Me too, bro. That's some BS, huh? Tell me, how's it feel, bro? Because I feel like shit right now. I'm like, ugh, damn it. It's okay, though, bro. It's okay. Keep those emotions low, you know? Don't allow yourself to revenge trade or anything. Keep those emotions low. Some bullshit, though. You know, ICT mentions anything lower than the 5-minute time frame is where high frequency algorithms like to work. So those lower time frames to me are aggressive. They are 110% aggressive, bro. I like to say if you like to be aggressive, trade the 1-minute. If you like to stay conservative, trade the 5-minute and 15-minute. Okay? Because 1-minute OTEs work out often, bro. Like, they do. Like, example, right here. From here to here, it worked out. You know what I mean? If it takes out this high here, it works out. That's a solid OTE setup. Same thing right here. If we drag it from this wick swing low here up to this one right here, same thing. OTE setup, took it out. That's solid. Back to back solid OTEs on the 1-minute. I didn't take him. Why didn't I take him? Well, this first one is based off a reversal. I didn't take the second one though. I should have, but I was like, all right, let me take this third one. Third luck's a charm. No, it wasn't. It said, fuck your charm. But yeah, bro, like the 1-minute is super aggressive. I like to be aggressive, dude. I enjoy the adrenaline rush. I enjoy seeing profit quick. Like I've been in this fucking trade, bro, for like ever it feels like at this point, and it hasn't even been that freaking long since 8:30. I took this trade like right here at 8:30. It is now an hour later, bro. I don't like being in trades longer than an hour long. Excuse me. Excuse me. Ah, but yeah, man. Created a swing low here, broke through, made new highs. So we would drag it from here to here, but it's not too logical. It's too tight. This candle alone would take that out. So we would frame it from here up to here. If it taps here, I mean, shit. I'd like to buy it. And if I did buy it, excuse me. Go to the 20 level. 5.9 plus 5 is 10.9. We'll just say 11. I guess my lesson is check the high time frame before entry. Yep, always check the higher time frame. Always. The one you lost isn't 2022 model? No, no. That was not the 2022 model. it comes to the green line, I'll look to take one more 0.5% entry. Bro, look at how it's just like respecting this wick right here. This would be the framework right here. But like I said, it just doesn't seem too logical because it's too damn tight. This candle alone looked scary, right? But bro, it could freaking hold and keep flying, dude. It could. This right here is ridiculously aggressive. I would not take this trade. What up, Jamal? Good morning, afternoon, everyone. Good morning, bro. Good morning. Just tapped into equilibrium, currently in discount. Is that a second setup? Yeah, bro. So like, look, we lost this one first, right? This was a 1% loss, and then we re-entered based off this higher time frame 15 minutes. So this is our entry right now. We're still in it. It's a 1% risk, currently up in profit. We took a scale-in opportunity here. It was a 0.5% risk, got stopped out. So total we're down 1.5% currently. We're up in profit right now. This is a second opportunity that I'm thinking about entering. It's a 0.5% risk. I already have everything set up. If it taps that green line, I'm gonna take that buy. It's crazy. I like don't even want to go into that. Silver bullet soon. Silver bullet soon. Excuse me. I am in there like swimwear, you guys. See what happens on this one. I just got back from protest. It was a crazy day for us here in Nairobi, man. What were y'all protesting, if you don't mind me asking? What's going on? I backtested 25 OTE trades on GBP USD with a 1 minute time frame and got a 75% win rate. Wonder if I can achieve that in live trading. It's only, you'll only find out if you try it, bro. Try it. Let me know how it goes. I'm curious too. These 1 minute OTEs are wrecking me. My stop is right here at 12,120. So I expect price to fly from here, since this is my 1 minute OTE. I usually don't put stops to break even, but if price stops this out, that'll be my 2% loss for the day. And that's all I limit myself. I still have this 1% risk on hand. So if price violates this and it comes back to my entry, I don't even want to be in that trade, bro. Like I said, I don't like being in trades this long. This is ridiculous to me. I don't want to hold for that long. I don't like doing it. That's why I like trading the 1 minute. So I don't normally do it. I'm going to move my stop to break even just to protect my capital because I don't want to lose 3% today, potentially. I'd rather stick with just 2% loss. I'm more comfortable with a 2% loss per day. Okay, so that's why I'm going to be moving this entry into break even, which is going to join up with this stop loss here. So I'm going to move this stop loss to 12150. If we get stopped out right here, we're out, break even. 0.5% loss total for the day, 2% loss, and we'll call it a day, bro. Because this shit better fucking fly. I'm not even kidding. Tired of this shit, bro. Tired of this shit. What is Silver Bullet? Similar to OTE? It's not similar, bro. It can be. Like, the Silver Bullet can retrace into an OTE, but Silver Bullet's based off of a run of liquidity first, which OTE is not. Government raises the tax and it has effect on everything, man. They're crazy, man. Bro, governments, I'm telling you, dude, they're out to get us. I don't care about their people. They're crazy. But anyways, I'm gonna get my animals, my animals. Look at the straight flies, bro. No kidding, we are. Sorry, ladies and gents. Hotshot was bringing in the perritos, and then I also had to look for some documentation on something else. Is this my only entry right now? I have this entry in and this entry in. This entry stops are right here at break even, and this entry stops are right here too. So it better freaking fly, bro. If it doesn't, if it stops us out, we're at 2% loss for the day and we're calling it a day. Watching paint dry is more fun than EU price action this week, lol. No, seriously, bro, you're not lying. It's ridiculous, dude. I think I want to make a rule whenever EU, like, for example, whenever EU takes out the highs, like after the expansion, because I want to trade the expansion, but as soon as it takes out the highs, we don't know when it's going to retrace, because it's expansion retracement, right? We don't know when it's going to retrace. So I think I want to make a rule, because, like, example with daily, it's been expanding. When is it going to retrace? We have no freaking idea, you know what I mean? I don't want to participate unless I know a retracement is coming and I know I can target, because right now whenever it's at a high, it can consolidate and it can go back and forth as we've been witnessing. So I think I want to make a rule where as soon as we run out the high after an expansion, where, it's like not as, you know what I mean? Like, we don't know if it's going to start retracing or not, because, we all have separate biases. We should all realistically have the same bias. You know what I'm saying? So I'm thinking about making a rule where as soon as it breaks out, you know what I mean? Solid OTE happens. After that, I think I'm gonna find another pair, example USD JPY, where it is still like where it's only beginning its expansion. So like USD JPY, it's beginning its expansion based off of all my analyzing. Like, long term, I think is bullish, and I think it's gonna continue expanding. Probably clean up all of this traffic right here. So like in this situation, instead of trading Euro USD and taking all these freaking L's at the top of a high, we go to UJ and take some buys to fill up all of this. You know what I'm saying? I think that'll be a good real roll. I'm still sticking to one pair overall, trading one pair, but bouncing back and forth depending on where it's at within price action. You know what I'm saying? What's your win rate with the 5 minute OTE versus 1 minute OTE? I'll be honest, bro. I need to do like a full on back test with it, like for multiple trades, because I've only done a little bit of trades. The OTE in general is gonna hit over 50%, no doubt. So if you're targeting a 1 to 1.5 R with the OTE, you're solid, regardless what time frame you trade. Why do I say that? Because price moves in the OTE. Like, literally, price expands and retraces, and the OTE just frames liquidity, the next draw on liquidity, and the retracement. So it's literally just buying and selling retracements and just targeting the high or the low that it's moving towards. Bro. The joy, the joy. Oh, the joy. Oh, fuck the joy. Market structure shifted, retracement, expansion. And 1 minute on UJ. Had this OTE, it flew. Currently tapped to 0.5. Telling you, bro. UJ is painting some nice candles, bro. UJ has some nice price action, dog. I think I might make that rule if Euro is. Dude, this is fucking retarded. I shouldn't say that word. I'm sorry. This is ridiculous. But this is crazy to me. It's just insane in the membrane. Insane is brain. Insane is my brain. Insane is brain. 15-minute UJ off the OTE. It's gonna fly bullish, bro. Yep. Ed, it's gonna keep flying, bro. We just got stopped out. Yep, that's 2%. And that is our day, y'all. Wow. Fudge, bro. Got wrecked by Euro, dude. All of these liquidity grabs, bro. Like, where does it want to go, dude? Like, straight up, bro. All these liquidity grab, bro. It's playing hard to get, bro. It's playing hard to get. Oh. Don't doubt your setups, please. Market has been 50-50 for this week. It has been 50-50. I don't doubt my setups. I know my setups hit. That's why I'm like, what the fuck? That's why I'm like, these damn markets right now, bro. I know it's not the setup. I'm following the model to a T, and I'm sticking to my rules and whatnot. It's price action right now, bro. It truly is. Like, it's not selling, it's not buying. It's literally since 8:30, dude. Since 8:30, it hasn't went nowhere, bro. Like, dude, this is ridiculous. Stupid, stupid, stupid charts. Anyone who is thinking starting NPC live streaming. What's NPC live streaming? Don't worry, brother. It's all a part of the game. It is. It's all a part of the game, bro. I can only complain so much and then come back the next day and try again. But, bro, my gosh, dude. It hasn't moved nothing. See, and it's ranging because it's at that high. It's way up there, you know what I mean? It's ranging because it's way up. So I think I want to add that rule. I kind of want to add that rule because after it runs out a high or a low, after an expansion, it becomes unpredictable. You know what I mean? It could continue expanding. It could begin a retracement. I don't know. Close your charts. We'll see it tomorrow. Yeah, we'll see it tomorrow. I'm gonna look it up on TikTok, man. I'll go look it up right now. I'll check it out. Bro, those NPC live streams, funny and cringe as fuck. Funny and cringe? Damn. Bro, I lost 5K this week. My own money. Not been the greatest week. Bro, you're telling me, dude, it hasn't been the greatest week at all. Last week was a phenomenal week. Why was last week a phenomenal week? Because last week price was expanding bullish on Euro. When it was expanding bullish, we kept that bullish bias and we're catching some nasty bullish moves. But man, this week, ugh, it has not moved at all. The daily candles have been just in the same place. It's ridiculous. Market structure shift, displacement, breaker, fair value gap, bearish, perfect entry if it closes for this market structure shift on 5 minute. Are you talking on Euro? Or UJ? Price action for those 30-minute POIs. Bro, hopefully it starts retracement. Fudge. I'm staying out of buys until we retrace a little to the downside to the daily discount. Yeah, bro. See, that's what I mean. Like, We don't know when it's going to reverse, so how can we switch bias to bearish? We don't know. Still in EU, stop loss didn't hit yet, but almost did. Don't like it. Yeah, bro, I had to put my stop to break even on a trade. I couldn't take any more losses. I couldn't risk it. Been doing well with the counter trend until we hit at least to daily 50 retracement range. Yeah, daily 50 retracement range. And then GU hasn't done either. The hell kind of candle is that? Ugly candle. GU is retracing though. GU is similar with Euro, of course. Then it retraced, but it expanded up, made this low, needs to make a high. And it's retracing now. Could retrace, bounce off, and continue a little bit bullish. Could even come all the way down. Market structure shifting point is here, but from 8:30. Wiped out liquidity. GU had this dirty move. Dirty 1 minute move. See, why GU move like that and Euro don't move like that? Euro being a bitch. I tell you, bro. I tell you. Euro, John. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I don't know what the hell Price wants to do on Euro. It's so dumb. So dumb. It's ridiculous. Let's see what GU did. $30. And clean 1 minute slingshot. Clean 1 minute slingshot. Two solid 1 minute moves on GJ. Okay, time to call it a day. See you all tomorrow. See you tomorrow, Peter. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day as well, y'all. I was just checking out the other charts to see what moves might have happened too. Really nice silver bullish setup. Euro, man. What made you start only trading EU, bro? Shoot. Cause honestly, bro, my whole goal was to focus on one pair, and then whenever I started streaming and everybody was like, check out this one, check out this one, they looked like solid setups, and I was taking too many setups and I was losing too much. And then Bellis made me realize that. So I said, I'm gonna just trade Euro. But I think I want to focus on Euro and UJ based on like expansions like after the run on liquidity. Like after it runs out like liquidity, like as far as after the expansion, not like a turtle suit, but liquidity after an expansion targeting old highs or old lows. After that, I think I'm gonna move to another chart and just look for setups there. Because I only want to participate on daily time frame expansions. Whenever the daily time frame is expanding, like let me show you an example. Watch, let's go to like GU for example, right here, right? Delete everything. So if we would have framed from here to here, came in OTE and it began expanding, right? It began expanding from here. So whenever price begins expanding, how many times does it take out the previous day's high? It takes it out often. You know what I mean? Doesn't take out the previous day's low as often, and if it does, it's more of a liquidity grab to continue flying. And if we go to the 15 minute or like the 5 minute even, let's go up here to where it began flying, right? Let's go to say 8:30 right here, right? It was flying bullish from here. As 8:30 came in right here, right here, 8:30 open, daily time frame was flying. Here's a 5 minute OTE setup right here. Boom. Right after 8:30. Right here. Boom. 5 minute OTE, flew, take profits, hit like crazy. Next day, watch, let's go to the next day. Next day, 8:30. We know that price is bullish, right? Price is going to begin expanding. We go to the next day, 5 minute time frame. Here's our swing wick low to swing wick high. Low to high. Came into equilibrium. That's okay. Took out another high right here. It's okay. We would reframe it right here. Got stopped out. Reframe it to where it's logical. I'd say it's logical down here because it's still in OTE. Let's see what happens. I would have closed a long time ago because it hit 16. So nothing really on this day. We'll go to the next day. We'll go to the next day at 8:30 again. Where's the OTE at? Right here at 8:30. OTE, swing wick low to swing wick high. Boom, boom. Tapped in it. Liquidity grab, turtle soup. Began expanding. Didn't fully reach highs. Stopped out there. It stopped out. Maybe you could reframe it. Still run with the bullish bias. Stop that again. It's totally fine. Let's go to the next day. See if there would have been a setup there. So 8:30 next day. Boom. From here, expanded, retracement, three quick low to high. There's no way that that was an OTE. It expanded. We frame it from here up to here, targeting previous day's high, which would be 0 level to 0 level, which would be right here. So this would be the previous day's high right here. So we'd anticipate price tap to fly up, tapped in to fly up. Let's see. Nope, stop this out, reframe, be way down here. See if it taps the green, we're in. Gosh, bro, why is it so bad even whenever it's in an expansion? It's crazy how bad price is sometimes, dude. Let's see the next day. Screw it, let's see the next day. Even during an expansion, bro, you kidding me? You playing with my feelings, dog. These 5 minutes are ugly, dude. See, 8:30 next day. My goodness. No, I'm not tripping. It's clearly expanding on the daily time frame, bro. It's clearly. I mean, we've seen it. Took out the highs there. It's crazy how the 5 minute is even like doing such bearish runs. That's a 5 minute OTE right there, but it's way out of our time frame. Next day, bro. That was Thursday. Getting a little back testing session in. What? Chicka chicka, yeah. All right, let's see the next day. Previous day's highs. We're over here. Right, we go from 0, 0 to 0, 0. Previous day's highs are right here. Boom. 8:30. Price expanded through them. OTE right here to here. Price retraced. Optimal trade entry expanded through the previous day's high, continued up. So that one worked out finally. Fuck. About time. Did a little turtle soup right there as well. Within this little run right here, potentially start seeing some 1 minute opportunities and confluence with the 5 minute. It just starts expanding right here to here. So let's say that we did 1 minute fib from here to here, got stopped out, we reframe it, boom, boom, tapped in, blew away. You know what I'm saying? All right, this was Friday. Let's go to the next day, which is gonna be Monday. Let's go to Monday real quick. Over here on Monday, we're about to come to 8:30. I believe we haven't ran out the highs yet. We haven't yet. We're close. So we'd still be holding that same bullish bias, anticipating it to run out. 30 is right here. Boom. Let's see. This would be considered the market structure shift, expansion, fair value gap, retracement. Now this is the break of structure, and I like to look off the break of structure because this should be the intermediate term low technically, so it shouldn't be violated, right? Now, as soon as the high gets formed, there it is. Set it up from here to here. Entry would be based off of this here. Stop would be based off of this low here. We'll put it to the 20 level. Let's say that that's the 20. It's one off. Target 1 and 2. See what happens. Again, we're targeting previous day's high, not Sunday, but Friday's high, which is going to be way up here. And price ran that crazily too. It's insane. During this whole leg, you could drop to the 1 minute. Look for OTE setups here as well on the 1 minute. I mean, there isn't many. It's just a big ass straight line of volume. And then 11 o'clock stops right here anyway. But let me read some messages. Sorry. David's take profit hit. Look at you, David. Look at you. Stop loss hit for outsiders. Fuck, bro. It happens, dude. Everyone have a blessed day. You too, David. You have a great rest of your day. Mahai, thank you for this session. No problem. It's a pleasure. Have a good day, Hotshot. Thank you, Jacob. You as well, my friend. Send another screenshot of my idea. I'll pull it up right now. Could have found equilibrium and focused on discount within the range to reduce the chance of stop out. On Euro USD, that one that you're talking about? Look at EU. What's EU doing? What is EU doing? Just being stupid, or it's going for sales, or what? Well, obviously it's selling off. So yeah, hopefully like it starts retracing, you know, created something. Hopefully it starts retracing, bro. The price consolidating today, it really is, dude. I would say at least add one more pair. I focus on UJ, USD CAD, and SPX. Feel like you can handle two pairs, bro. I appreciate that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go that route as well. I think I'm gonna add another pair. You see ICT's video yesterday, the Reaper PD array. Like, come on, ICT, give it a rest. Facts, dude. Like, no, I didn't watch it, but I'm telling you, he's gonna continue to come out with bullshit. I'm telling you. What do you think of Euro entry 1.12162? 1.12162. On 5 minute. One two one six two. It's a deep retracement, bro. It'll be a pretty tight stop. You'll get a big reward. It's not bad if you have that bearish bias and you want to carry it on. It's not a bad setup. What do you like in your burrito? It depends on the burrito. You want a burrito? Lady Hotshot wants a burrito. Have a good day, my man. You too, Jacob. Thank you for coming down. Come on, bro. What's up, Josh? Man, I'm down 4.9% on my TFT right now. Bro, it's okay, dog. I came back from down 5% as well. Right now, I'm like down too. I'm down pretty much 1% now. That was up. Loss, break even pretty much. 0.5% loss. It's been rough, bro. It's been rough. I tell you. Freaking tell you. Well, no, you guys, I'll go ahead and end it here. We'll come back tomorrow. We'll make it packed, bro. I'm telling you. I think I'm going to make that rule where I'm going to just stick to the daily expansions. Look for charts that are expanding bullishly or bearishly based off the daily time frame. And we'll probably start trading those setups because it's obvious. I only like the obvious shit. So, but I appreciate all of y'all coming down as per usual. The losing streak shall not continue. We shall break through this bullshit that we are going through. Until next time, you guys. Thank you guys. If you guys continue to trade, good luck. Happy trading. Stay safe. We'll see you later, Steve, Ed, Mihai, all of you. We learning. It's okay. Yeah, we all learning together. Thank you, Hotshot. See ya. We learned a lot from your wisdom. Appreciate it, Adeseli. Always cool to see you here every day. What up? Later, Mike. Later, Foresight. We'll see you all later. We'll see you all tomorrow. Peace out.